This is 200 kilometers an hour. Look at that. We're going to use a Range Rover station wagon for the purpose of this tests. We're going to use a mattress up against a concrete wall. This is 20 kilometers an hour. It's just a bump. The bumper absorbed all the shock. This is 40 kilometers an hour. You can see there is damage to the bumper and the front area. The engine possibly has been pushed back a little bit, and there is definite frame damage. This is 60 kilometers an hour. You can see there is significantly more damage at 60 kilometers an hour, yet the passenger compartment is not damaged. Here's 80. Look at that. The engine, the whole front end is obliterated at 80. The passenger compartment is still okay. At 100, normal highway speed, look at that. Everything is kind of pushed back into the passenger compartment. Maybe you can replay that a few times and watch that. Here's 150. Look at that. Even if you're wearing a seatbelt at 150, you're basically deceased at the scene. Here's 200. Boom, look at that. The whole thing is obliterated. Seatbelts will not save you. The whole thing is just crushed like an accordion. Look at that. See the description below for more fantastic videos.